Hello guys, welcome to my channel and Easy One. So finally the Iceberg Airdrop allocation checker is on. So every one of you who farmed this airdrop can now go ahead and check your airdrop allocation, because the airdrop has now been distributed to those who farmed this airdrop. So in order for us to get started, what I need from you guys is go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel and Easy One, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates coming your way. So as you all can see that the airdrop is on, but before we can claim the airdrop, there's an fee which we must pay in order to claim the airdrop. So if you have the amount to pay for the fees, you can go ahead and claim the airdrop. But before we can get started with this video, there's an post which they made on their community group regarding to those who did not pay for the airdrop pass. So note that this particular airdrop we're giving users airdrop pass in order for them to claim the airdrop. So let's go ahead and see the update which they just made on their community group. So as you can see where it says, "We are ready, hope you are too. The moment most of you have been waiting for is cooked. The Iceberg team is proud to announce that the airdrop is here. Yes, you heard it right. You can now log in, play and check how much Iceberg token you are given." So we have developed the airdrop pass. So that's the airdrop pass for those who will pay the airdrop pass, designed to fairly distribute token among community members and ensure a more transparent allocation process. So what this means that for those who participate in the airdrop pass, so you can be able to withdraw your claim and unclaimed token before the listing. And you can see that all airdrop pass holder will have the opportunity to claim a share of any unclaimed Iceberg token from the campaign period. If some participants fail to claim their allocation, this token will be distributed among eligible pass holders, ensuring that rewards are fairly shared within the community. Our anti-CB attack team has been particularly busy in recent days. We have successfully identified and removed a significant number of fraudulent users attempting to exploit the system of maximum Iceberg gains. However, our work doesn't stop here. We continue to develop and implement new security measures to maintain fairness. You have less than a month to complete your claim. Also, make sure to review the airdrop rules as they contain important information that is every participant must read. So welcome to Iceberg. Head to the airdrop section. So you can see that this is the post which they just made on their community group regarding to those who were eligible for the airdrop pass. So if you deposit in claiming the airdrop pass, you can go ahead and claim both the airdrop and the airdrop pass. So let's dive into the bot. So as you can see, this is the bot, the Iceberg Telegram bot, and you can see where it says Iceberg Pack, and this one under you can see where it says airdrop. So what you need to do is to go ahead and click on airdrop. But first, you can see that you have only 21 days cut it here where it says airdrop is here, 28 days to claim the airdrop. And if I click on airdrop, so you can see that where it says airdrop pass, the airdrop is here, claim Iceberg with airdrop pass. So you need to claim your Iceberg with airdrop pass. So you can, if you partake in the pass section, you can go ahead and claim the airdrop. You can see where it says claim airdrop. So you can see where it says claim airdrop. So you can see this is the token which I receive in the airdrop. You can see I receive about 5,000 of the Iceberg token. And not only that, you can see where it says your airdrop starts. The section present calculation of your results in the event that have the key impact on the airdrop. You can see that this is my airdrop pass. You can see I have 0 of the airdrop pass. You can see my reward 0. You can see my Iceberg plus 0. You can see my top points 5,000. You can see my Iceberg game. So I didn't participate in almost of those games, the rewards and the Iceberg plus. So for those who participate in the Iceberg plus, that is depositing some time into it, you can go ahead and claim the reward. So as you can see that this is the amount I received from the Iceberg airdrop. And not only that, you can see if you scroll down, you are going to see this unclaimed token. So you can see this is my unclaimed token. I have about 175,000 of this unclaimed token, and you can see the date, the countdown is on. You can see that it's about 685 minutes or 685 hours. I think 685 hours, 8 minutes and 7 seconds. So you can see that if you calculate, you can do it to go ahead and calculate it to know how many days to able to claim this your unclaimed token. But before you can claim your unclaimed token, you need to make sure that you're already eligible for the airdrop pass. So to get the airdrop pass, you need to deposit some ton in order for you to be eligible for the airdrop pass. So once you deposit some ton and be eligible for the airdrop pass, you can go ahead and claim this your unclaimed token. But if you fail to claim this your unclaimed token, it will be distributed to others who were eligible for the airdrop pass. So it's your own. You have to do your own research first in whether you should pay for the airdrop pass or not. So do it to do your own research, because I'm not a financial advisor. I will not tell you to go ahead and deposit to able to be eligible for the airdrop pass. So you need to do your own research to be eligible to pass. So what you need to do is to go ahead and click on where it says claim airdrop. So once you click on claim airdrop, you can see you can only claim it direct to your Tonkeeper, and this is the fee in which you need to is required for you to claim the airdrop, 1.5 ton. So I don't know whether should I pay the 1.5 ton to claim this airdrop, or I should wait. So this will be up to you guys who are watching this video. So you have to do your research first before you can claim this airdrop. So I'm not going to advise you to go ahead and pay this fee in order for you to claim this airdrop. So you need to go ahead and do your research first before you can claim this airdrop. So this is how you can go ahead and claim your airdrop, your Iceberg airdrop, and also how to check your airdrop allocation. So if you find this video helpful, all I need from you guys is go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel, an easy one, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates coming your way. And also there are also potential airdrop which I'm currently farming right now, such as the Telegram airdrops and non-Telegram airdrops. So peace out.